How many balusters can I get out of this log? Let's find out. So 8 feet, I need them to be 36 inches or 3 feet, so I'm gonna cut them down with a circular saw now. I was able to get 27 3-foot long balusters out of that one log. I'd say that's pretty good. Well, if you love wood.